Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Ubuntu 20.10 Desktop Edition on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So now I'm going to create one new virtual machine. So I'm choosing the typical installation. So installer image disk I already downloaded Ubuntu 20.10 Desktop. So you can see that Ubuntu 20.10 is detected. So next I am selecting I will install the operating system later. Next I am selecting Ubuntu 64-bit. Next I am giving one name to the virtual machine which I am going to create now. Next you can see I am allocating some hard disk space. I am storing it as a single disk. So next I am going to customize the hardware. So if you want to increase RAM, you can increase it. I am going to allocate 4 CPU cores. So below you can see that virtualization engine parameters. If you want, you can choose it. It's optional. So for DVD, CD, I am choosing the Ubuntu 20.10 ISO file. So image file I am using. So network will be NAT. So that it will be connected to the internet. So all the necessary files will be downloaded to the virtual machine and installed automatically. So this is a summary of hardware. So you can see that virtual machine is created. Let me power on this virtual machine and start the Ubuntu 20.10 desktop installation now. So if you are using VMware Workstation for first time, it will prompt you to install some VMware Linux tools. So accept that and install it. So installation screen had arrived. I am going to install Ubuntu. So English will be the default language. So I am unchecking the download updates and normal installation I am going to do. So VMware tools for Linux will be automatically downloaded if you connect it to the internet. Otherwise you have to install manually. So manual work is a little bit tough in VMware. So better we go for automatic install. So make sure that you are connected to the internet. That's it. So erase disk and install Ubuntu. So click the button install now. So this will use your full complete disk. Click the button continue now. So since we are beginners, better we choose the first option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. So that will be good for the beginners. So choose your location. Next, provide username, password and name to this computer or virtual machine. Click the button continue. Yes, installation is started. So this will download necessary files for VMware. So installation also got completed now. So I am restarting the Ubuntu 20 virtual machine. Yes, I am going to log in now. Login screen has arrived. So you can see that screen is got adjusted automatically. So basically Ubuntu operating system supports huge varieties of hardware. So no need to worry about screen resolution problems. So we are done with that. So these are optional softwares you can install if you need it. So now I am opening the terminal here. So screen resolution is adjusted automatically, so no problem on screen resolution. So I am checking whether VMware tools are installed properly. Yes, I can see that some VMware commands are available. So I am executing the command VMware toolbox -cmd. So this will give you the VMware tools version for Linux. So next thing what I am going to do is I am going to copy the content from virtual machine. So I am going to copy this terminal output from Ubuntu 20.virtual machine, and I am going to paste in Windows host. So Windows host, I am opening Notepad++. Yes, I can able to paste it. So copy and paste, that is shared clipboard is working. Next I am typing some words in Windows host machine. Then I am going to paste in Ubuntu 20. Linux virtual machine. Yes, so it's fine. So next I am going to check drag and drop feature. So let me check whether I can able to copy or drag and drop the file from host to Ubuntu 20. Virtual machine. So I am copying this star file. Yes, successfully copied. So Ubuntu 20.10 supports drag and drop and shared clipboard copy and paste feature in VMware Workstation 16. So Ubuntu 20. Installation is successful in VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and install all the VMware tools required.